Why is getting your body back after baby so difficult? The biggest mistake moms make is thinking that crunches are going to strengthen your core and hardcore diets are going to get rid of that mom belly. And I get it. The fitness industry and social media leads you to believe that crazy exercise, fad diets, and a zillion crunches will get your body back after baby. So it's easy to fall into that trap. But if that were the truth, moms everywhere would be strutting around in bikinis and loving their bodies. And we all know that's not the case. In fact, if you continue to hold on to this belief, you can lose time away from your family and cause things like leakage, prolapse, and even make your abdominals worse than when you started. So, how do you get your body and abs back after baby so that you can feel confident in your body and fit into your favorite clothes again? It's all about rehabbing, retraining, and strengthening the core from the inside out, isolating the right muscles at the right time to give you that flat ab look. Check out these exercises. Which of these do you think will get rid of that mom pooch and abdominal separation after baby? Well, trick question. The answer is none of the above. After my years of training as a postpartum corrective exercise specialist and working with women, I learned the secret to creating that hourglass figure that women work so hard to get. And I'm going to share that secret with you today. Most women spend hours performing crunches, twists, and ab bicycles thinking that this will flatten the abs. But in fact, these exercises actually do the opposite because they cause a thickening and bulging of the abdominal wall because they focus primarily on the rectus abdominis muscle. Now, don't believe me? Do a crunch right now. Put your hands on your stomach. Does your stomach get flatter or does it contract and bulge under your hand? Now that you felt it for yourself, I hope you finally understand that crunches are not going to help you. That's why I'm going to share my secret to flat abs after baby. Are you ready? Let's go back to the old days when women used to wear corsets so that they could cinch up their waists. Well, if I were to tell you that your body has your own set of muscles deep in your core, like a corset, and all you had to do to get flat abs after baby is learn how to activate them, train them, and strengthen those muscles. These are the same muscles that plastic surgeons use to flatten the abs in a tummy tuck. Now, with my help, it is possible to achieve this all without surgery. So you just have to learn to activate, train, and strengthen these muscles so that they naturally flatten out so that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on surgery. In my 12-week workout plan, I provide you with a proven way to flatten the abs, get rid of the mom belly, heal your diastasis without hours in the gym or crazy diets. So let me ask you, do you really want to go on a crazy crash diet, exercise hours on end, and do crunch after crunch, taking away time from your family and potentially injuring yourself? Or do you want to take 12 weeks to focus on building the muscles of the core and the abs the right way, isolating the right muscles at the right time from the inside out? If the answer is yes, click to get started with flat abs after baby today.